In this video, I show you how to upgrade your Termux to the latest version in 2025. Keeping Termux updated is important for better performance, security, and access to the latest tools and features. If you are experiencing errors, outdated packages, or missing repositories, this guide will help you fix everything. For update Termux packages, first make sure your internet connection is turned on, as the update requires downloading files. Then open Termux. After then open Termux and type pkg, then space update space double end space package upgrade space -y, and then enter. Now watch as the update starts downloading. Don't skip or close Termux until the process is fully completed, or some packages may not install properly. If you see any prompt, then type Y and press enter to continue. If you encounter errors like repository not found or package not available, you may be using an outdated Termux versions. In that case, you need to uninstall Termux and then download the latest version from F-Droid. Always download Termux from F-Droid. Avoid using the Play Store version as it is outdated.